Did you know a German company helped murder over 1 million people and barely faced any punishment? Zyklon B started as a simple bug killer made by Dagish Company. They used it to kill insects in buildings and ships. But then the Nazis came asking for something different. They wanted massive amounts of Zyklon B with one key change. Remove the safety chemical that warned people it was there. This made it deadly to humans. The company executives knew exactly what this meant. Internal documents show they talked about special orders from concentration camps while counting their profits from genocide. They visited the camps. They saw the gas chambers. They even helped make the killing more efficient. After the war ended, these executives claimed they had no idea what was happening, but the evidence was clear. They knew they were helping mass murder and did it anyway for money. Most of them got light prison sentences and went right back to running chemical companies. Evil hiding behind business suits often escapes justice.